How to edit the Facebook ad account spending limit. So if you want to edit the Facebook ad account spending limit, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And under your browser, you need to go and search for business.facebook.com/settings. Hit the enter and make sure to log into your account. And here you will have a lot of options. You just need to simply scroll down and go with billing and payments option. And it will take you to a new kind of interface where you need to go with payment methods. So if you've not added your payment method, then you just need to simply go and add a payment method. And once you've added, then you will have your ad accounts, right? So on the right side of the ad account, you will have view details option once you've added your payment method. And once you click on the view details option, then you'll be able to edit your Facebook ad account. You'll have the spending limit option. You can simply go and change your spending limit. So that's how you can edit the Facebook ad account spending limit. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.